Hey people, that's don't funny pe maso sekai. That's shred. Shred. Apparently, Bashana have a typing work to do for my dad. So type with me while I vent. While I vent. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe, palapo. Subscribe, palapo. So guys, let's do it. I wish ukunidedela inamba mfethu manje u-YouTube uzongicopyrighta bro yo ezongidedelela inamba embi kabi inamba. Ngisho umalume wakho lo umbiza ngeHolman akayidlali le bafana le akayidlali le akayidlali le mfana oh le akayidlali le ha. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys. Ndiyagowa la ndiyadluwa. Normally mina first type I use Arial when I usebenzisani. Then I normally use like Arial. So yeah, if not Arial, so let's pause this one for a second. Now guys, whenever I use Word. If you're typing umsebenzi wakho assignment, tell me what do you normally use yabo? Because when I use Word, I order most of us will use Word. Like in terms of font, I use Arial. I used to like New Times New Roman, but like yeah man, I use like and futhi mina ngizoyi set up before even lento ngiyisebenzisa yabo like ama fonts yabo. Before nje isiqala ukubhala like anything I do this man because most of the time this is gonna be like my topics ne? So yeah, so you let me know in your comment section what do you use when you type, you know. So yeah guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel guys, please, I'm begging you guys, like we need more subscribers. Like yeah, if you're typing your work on njani. Normally I'll never have like aboma and I'm ngiyathanda ama borders bro. Imagine so kanje ngakenzi lutho like at least if ube no border nyana mfethu yabo. I feel like i document mesenqunqa kakhulu ayingithandi i document mesenqunqa kakhulu ayi ngeke at least ube no line oyi1 ungenani yabo. Normally I'll use this one. I love this one. Normally I'll use this one yabo. Ingamsalisiba nqunu yabo. So yeah, let's do it guys. I'm typing this. I don't know what to. I wasn't told in the topic. I'm just gonna go for it. Same value, same one. So guys, from here, I'll just play music, ne? So we'll just talk time to time. One thing I'm asking for you to subscribe, guys. Let's do it. Okay, Balu. Grade 4. Okay, let's. Okay. Yeah. Let's do it. Obviously, this one is gonna be like, ne? That's why my father likes to say, actually, ngimenzele izinto lezi amazomsebenzi lokho. Ngizozenza kamnandi, ne? You know. So from now on, guys, it's just gonna be and so yenza ibe time lapse name. But I want to know that what you use normally when you're typing whatsoever. So guys, ngizodedela inamba umalume wakho angayilaleli umalume wakho, and then guys, we're gonna talk time to time. Let's do it. Bashana bheke asixoxe. Umalume phela uvukile mfana, uvuke ngengane mfethu right ne. Then abantu bethu, I want you to guess guys ukuthi which tribe is she, you know. Yeah, I want you to guess which tribe is she. But she's she's a very nice. She's a very nice person. I won't lie. I won't say she's very nice. Like I've been dating, ne? But I don't wanna say I never dated someone like it's clicker and I to this point, yeah, but hey, bro, we're clicking very well, ne? Yo. Hey, Bashana. Please, guys, go check the vlog that I posted yesterday, ne? Let's have vlog. Njalo of it. Let's have vlog. Hey, untsweba my vlogs, ne? But akathandi ukuba she's the kind of person that I don't like to be in a space where like, yabo umuntu abazama content akanankinga ukuthi ngishaye content but akafuna ukuba kuleyo content what and uyehlepula especially ama vlogs awelokhuzana yabo lama vlogs lawa elokhuzana bashana a TikTok ayivana khona le wayishaya mfethu khona wayishaya ndoda. I think I posted that one. Hey, young I told my numbers. You know, and phone subscribe on YouTube channel. Please subscribe bashana on YouTube channel. Subscribe pan bashana. Subscribe pan. You know, I not choose to subscribe, guys. Couple of man subscribe bashana face. Kupula my numbers, abo. Hey, bra. Mtana face cry, mtana face abo. As no man face. One of my friends said, "Hey, Nkechil, ngam piggies." I don't know, man. I don't feel the part was in Kechili, but we are in a good position on this scale, bro. Like I know I'm just going up and down. And then as well what I'm trying to say, but ish bashana bafika say umalu muhebu malu athulu malume gaza kabambe umalu awusethula umfasi wanhlanyisa kangaka. I think I'm gonna delete this one. So I wanna know ukuthi if you have been in a long distance relationship, what's your go-to thing? How do you guys manage? Like, cause man, this person was umbona every day and how what's your go-to thing like you guys do to keep the relationship working So guys, I wanna know. Hey, bro, that thing it can be hard, man. I won't lie, yeah. It can be hard. But right now, as Malume happy, things are going so well so far. Because we communicate more, like we communicate. And now I'm just waiting for it to come back. She said she's not at home. What? Ne? So like she's gonna call me when I'm home, when she's home. She called me, ne? I was in town, so I did a vlog. You'll see me in town in this vlog, ne? She called me. I'm just normally I'll say I'm in town. She called me by video call and then I switched off because I'm not at home. I say, hey people. Hey people, that's don't funny pay my so sick. That's Shredder. No funny more figure in Making for Nella. I feel like she was outside, man. No, yeah, man. In bra, she's far, bro. Like imagine dating some. Ngithe gesani lapho ngaze nginitshele ukuthi what type yeah gesani lapho. Guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I feel like yabo leya the way esizwana ngakhona dog singavula i-podcast. Yeah, sake sakhuluma boma 3 hours baba saqalule bakhuluma sakhuluma ama honeymoon stage. Yeah, sikhuluma boma 3 hours bra. Tshela uma 3 hours not sikhuluma. Topic ayipheli bra. Ngiyathula akukhulume. Kuthule yena ngikhulume. Sikhulume soba yi2. This is why you should know, you should prioritize uba nomuntu fethu any energy efana na bro. I'm sorry Papa Bashan because it's still early in the relationship, but yeah, I'm just enjoying the life, man, of being umalumo happy guys. So please comment how is your relationship going right now? Because I wanna know. We wanna know. Maybe guys, this is gonna be like part 1 of my vlog. So we're gonna do like 2 vlogs because I feel like this has been long enough for being a vlog already, you know. So Bashana, yeah, man, I wanna understand what's happening there. What's guys? So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. I love you very much. And bro, I'm getting love. So that closer people. I'm getting love every day, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Let's push, guys. Let's push, guys. So like honestly, like okay. But the thing we're talking so many hours now together, like school mates 3 hours. And then girl young child side, this is not healthy, what. You know, like, think about me. I'm always gonna be in a long distance relationship, you know. So I wanna hear from you, Bashan. We'll see what was your longest distance relationship you've been in? Kuthiwa mhlampe uthanda nomuntu oseJoburg wena ula eThekwini. For the first few days nje mfethu kwakunzima kanjani ukuthi yabo siyeke leyo nto leyo, because even like sikhuluma we will talk and then sivale call. After that we'll just still talk. There will be something like, hey, good no good. Siphinde sibe sibonelane. And honestly, wayeqinisile futhi uma ethi le nto ayikho health yabo, because yabo mina-ke vele ngijwayele ukuthi yabo ngalala isikhathi eside yabo, because isikhathi nebona ngisola ngenzo live yabo into enjengalezo. So yeah, hey bro, I'm happy where I'm at, bro. Like I'm happy. Yazi bethu ube uyakwazi ukuba kwilokhuzana ukuba kwi-healthy relationship ungasabi nokusho ukuthi hayi manje mfethu mfethu angisabi this time bengiqala ukungasabi. Like bengiqala ukusabi, especially like to talk about someone on my YouTube channel, guys. Please subscribe, John. Hey bro, I've been wanna like do something, a content like with someone. Hey, what's manje? Hey, abantu first they take a taking. So, hey, first, what I'm trying to say is that our communication, dog, is good. That was good. It's good. Like I'm trying to say what I'm enjoying this video. I'm enjoying this now. I'm very enjoying it. You, kono say, hey, malum, kodwa, umjolo this, bra, ungayiphuthiseli, bra. Oh, makuphela. So Tolobon. Oh, I'm almost done with this now. I'm just like left into a few things. I'm gonna touch ups and then we good now. But like I wanna say this, man. Love is still there, man, guys. Don't be scared like that. Yeah, bro. Try. If it doesn't work, yeah, guys, I'm saying Dr. Love. Hey, basha ngizobuya ngizonixoxela mase zingikhalele. Hey basha ngiyakhumbula lapha. Yakhumbula isimo sami 2015, 2010. We ma. Yo, zobuya basha nangizothi hayi yakhumbula isimo sami 2017, 2010. Alright guys, like believe in love, man. Imagine dog. Long distance relationship. Ooh, shame. Ooh, shame. I want, bro. I want my man. I want to miss it to the one. Yeah, but again, it was Manu Wednesday, dog, yes. Yeah, well, it was Manu Wednesday, I know my friend will charge me. I'm going to charge him. But it's a man charge, bro. I know you judge me and you'll watch this, I know. So yeah, man, let's do it. Please comment, but this is my last thing that we like. So yeah, man, hope y'all enjoyed my venting long distance relationship, guys. If you want to know more, please leave the comment in the comment section. Yeah, guys. Leave the comment in the comment section, guys, and don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, guys, I want her to bring more vlogs, man. Yeah, because I'm gonna post those vlogs on this channel, guys. So please, guys, comment, yeah. I know, guys. No, the way comment the shooting face, tell my vlog, guys. So yeah, gonna ngizomtshela ukuthi yabo angimina phela for my vlog kakho. Abantu bafuna ama vlog wakho. So please do vlogs. Thank you.